Hello Mitro, let's create this super fun abstract design in this sketchbook app. Here I am selecting the brushes and I am selecting from traditional section of brush and resizing it from here. And now let's create some shapes. I am filling in some organic shape with this pretty red using some lighter shades of pink to make it pop. Now I'm changing the brush and I'm selecting marker pen to draw some branches and leaves, and I have selected black color. Add some branch and leaves, whatever design you like. Now increase the size of the brush to fill it. Here you can also zoom the picture to add some details. And tada! Now it's completed. Don't forget to tell me in the comments what do you think I should draw next. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.